In this problem, we want to determine the values of x for which 9 raised to the x plus 1 power equals 27. Now you can kind of guess and check this a little bit, but it's going to be really tough to get to the final answer. So here's what you have to do in order to arrive at the answer on your own. 9 and 27 are both powers of 3. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take out the 9 in this equation and replace it with 3 squared. Now this is still being raised to the x plus 1 power, whereas 27 is 3 to the third power. Now when you have exponents on top of exponents like this, you're going to multiply. So this is 3 to the 2x plus 2 equals 3 to the third. Now, if these two quantities are equal, which we are because we're told that, and their bases are equal, they're both 3, that means the powers themselves. 2x plus 2 has to equal 3. So 2x plus 2 equals 3. So now this is a linear equation that we can solve. So if we subtract 2, we get 2x equal to 1, and then we get x equal to 1/2. And there is the solution, which is a fraction in lowest common with the reduced to lowest terms. So there's our answer, and we're done.